Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So with it being so close to Valentine's Day, I am actually putting together some Valentine's gifts for my teammates. And I'm going to be doing some Valentine bags and some other little Valentine gifts that are basically, they're inexpensive and they're basically Dollar Tree items. And now a lot of the like candy and stuff like that, I did not get from Dollar Tree. You can certainly get it from Dollar Tree, but it was just as cost effective with much more selection to get it from Walmart. All right, so I'm gonna start basically supplies. I have hot glue, I have tape, I have scissors, and then I'm going to be using, I have this tablecloth from the Dollar Tree. I have some different bags from Dollar Tree and from Walmart. I have some confetti stuff from Dollar Tree. And then these shovels from Dollar Tree. The bowls I'm going to be using, these are from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to set them to the side and I'll pull them out when I use them. And then I've just got a whole bunch of goodies, okay? So I'm going to do things, none of it's hard, but I'm going to do it easier level first and then on up from there. So I'm going to start with some bags. So I have 4 little bags that I'm going to be making. Oh, and I have ribbon also that I got from Dollar Tree. All right, so I'm going to start with my little bags. And I'm going to be making 4 of these bags here. So I just pull out some little treat bags. And for these, I'm going to use my little stuffing mix here. So my bag is going to get some stuffing. All right, so my bags have stuffing in them. Now I have these little hearts from Walmart. They were $1. So there's that. Now, if you remember these that I hauled from Dollar Tree, so they're a name brand item, super beautiful. And remember, they are the emery boards, super pretty. And then also the matching lip gloss. All right. So my bags are each going to get this. Now my bags are also going to get, I want you to see these. I picked these up at Dollar Tree the other day. I haven't like done a haul or anything, so I haven't shown them to you, so I want to show them to you now. And they are bubble tea lip smackers. How cute is this? So these are also going to go in my bags. Let's see how I can put them. And then the bags come with these little ties. And then I have my ribbon here. All right, so here are my bags. And look how nice these are. These are nice little Valentine gifts for some of my nurses. And even taking into consideration the packaging, these were about $5 to make. So super cute. All right, so now I'm going to use my little shovels here, and I'm going to put in a little bit of stuff in here. Don't need too much. So now for these, I'm gonna put one of these, I'm gonna put one of these, one of these, one of these. Got the little blow pops. I bought these little cakes. One of those. And then, of course, I got my little heart. My little heart there. And then I'm going to use these for this one. These bags, I definitely could, like on my other ones, I could have done a larger bag. On these ones, I could have done a smaller bag. But, you know, that's how it is sometimes. And I will save this extra plastic for epoxy projects. And you know, actually, I'm just going to use one of these bags. I'm going to cut this in half. take some tape. This one. All right, and then here are these. So on these, I will make a tag that says, I dig you, Valentine. So super cute, right? Super cute. All right, so now these last two, so now on these, now this one is allergic to chocolate, so this one will not be getting one of these, but that one will. I'm gonna put that in there, we'll put that in there, and I've got some little cakes, popcorn, lollipops. Then I got these little mini croissants. All right, there's that. Now, oh, I got one too many bowls, that's fine. All right, so now I have my hot glue gun. I don't want to put a lot on here because I want them to be able to open it. I just want it to stay together. And I'm going to put this on top of it like that. And you don't even have to use hot glue, honestly. I just am, but I'm not doing a lot. You could even, you know, put a little piece of tape on each side. I'm not putting a lot because I want them to be able to open it. All right, so now I've got these like this. And I'm gonna measure and cut my tablecloth. Now when you cut it doubled over like this, it's nice because you can pull it back to sort of fit whatever size your bowl is that you happen to get. And I'm just going to make sure it's in the center. And then put a little piece of tape right there. And these are just my little ties from my bags. I just saved some out. And I'm gonna tie this. And there is my piece of candy. There's my piece of candy. Now I'll do my other one. And here is my other one. So on these, since it's a piece of candy, I'll put a little tag that says sweets for my sweet. And I'm just putting this on here for myself as a reminder of which one doesn't have chocolate in it. So the little pieces of candy were the most expensive, but they were still, you know, honestly, if you look at everything, probably still under 10 bucks. You can make them as, you know, as expensive or as inexpensive as you want. But it's just a, you know, just some nice little ideas to show people that you're thinking about them. So we've got our candy. And again, these ones I'll put a tag on that says, you know, sweets for my sweet. Happy Valentine's Day. There are those. And then I dig you, Valentine. And again, these were honestly, the whole thing, putting it together, you know, $5, $6, like not that much. And then this is that whole where, you know, picking up, keeping an eye at Dollar Tree for the name brand, you know, items. This is a really nice little Valentine's Day treat for my friends and let them know that I'm thinking about them. And again, you know, look how these are so nice. $5. Like, and that's honestly like even taking into account the wrapping. So listen, I hope that this was helpful. I hope maybe it gave you some ideas for Valentine's Day, since that's coming up on us pretty quickly. And I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, friends, and I'll see you later. Bye.